Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about communication. It is the way we share ideas by speaking, listening, reading, and writing, and we use it every day. We communicate with family, friends, and other people using words, body language, and messages. There are many ways to communicate, like talking, writing, calling, or using social media. Sometimes we use body language to show how we feel. For example, when we smile, people know we are happy. And when we cry, they understand we are sad. Good communication helps us understand each other and build relationships. It means listening carefully, speaking clearly, and respecting others. Let's practice English every day and keep improving.